As per NSTL and CDSL report, over 15 million new Demat accounts are opened in 2021. This is 3 times higher than the new accounts opened in 2020. So this indicates many youngsters and working professionals opened their accounts to try their luck in intraday trading. But intraday trading demands a lot of skill and dedication, right? Then what is the best way to learn intraday trading? Hey everyone, this is Nataraj. I'm a full-time trader and author of 7 best-selling books. In this video, I'm going to share 5 important and good books on intraday trading written by Indian authors. So without wasting much time, let's dive in. The number 1 book in my list is How to Make Money in Intraday Trading. This is a wonderful book by Mr. Ashwani Gujral and Mrs. Rachana Vaidya. This book starts from basics like moving average, different combinations of moving average, and it extends up to candlestick patterns like oversized candles or undersized candles and reversal candles, etc. So along with this book also covers pivot points and CPR and how to manage our trades using pivot and CPR. It also covers how to vary our trades in a trending environment and counter trending environment. This book also mentions many money management rules and disciplined trades which are required for an intraday trader. The most interesting part I find it is, many Bollywood dialogues are incorporated in the book at appropriate places. The only disadvantage for for some people is if they don't understand Hindi, they may not be able to understand the punch or kick of that Bollywood dialogue in the appropriate places. So otherwise, this is a wonderful book on intraday trading. The second book in my list is Mastermind of Day Trading. The author of the book is Mr. Nataraj. This book starts with a question like whether it is possible to make consistent profits even when we have only 30% accuracy. And it delivers the answer to this question with a beautiful explanation. There is no doubt that author is greatly inspired by Trading in the Zone book and which is the first turning point in his career. The second turning point in his career is when he develops and backtests some of the trading systems using algo in AmiBroker. This book basically divided into 2 parts. So first part covers the basics of intraday trading, and the second part covers advanced intraday trading concepts and some of the tools which are required for intraday trading. So this book is all about price action trading and some of the market profile concepts. This book gives more priority to probability because in intraday trading, it's not about prediction. Trading is all about probability, right? Hence, this book gives more priority to probability game. The most interesting aspect I find is this book also gives it provides some of the useful explanation on Monte Carlo analysis. So Monte Carlo analysis is it is a very sensitive and a little complicated topic in trading, but this book provides some of the information on even on Monte Carlo analysis as well. The only drawback I find in this system is this book will not it doesn't provide a single direct system, even though it provides many trading ideas. The third book in my list is Trade Like a Monk. The author of the book is Mr. Harneet Singh. Basically in trading, 4 parameters are very important. Number 1, technical analysis. Number 2, money management rules. And number 3, trading psychology. And number 4 is execution. These 4 parameters are like 4 wheels of a car. If your car is successful in intraday trading, the 4 wheels are very essential to get success in intraday trading. But most of the people, they focus only on technical analysis and money management rules in the good scenario. But most of the people, they ignore trading psychology, right? So that is why trading psychology is very, very important. You can't drive a car with only two wheels, right? So other two wheels are also very important. Basically, this book is divided into two parts. The first part, it covers lots of information about trading psychology. Second part, it covers interviews from many successful traders. It also has an interview from the famous traders, Mr. Steve Burns. This book has many stories. I liked one such story. So that is three salesmen actually. So a shop will have three salesmen, A, B, C. A is very good salesman. He interact with a good manner and he will bring more sales to the shop. B is just medium. Okay, he will his performance is medium. And C is worst guy. No, he brings less sales to the shop, and he also interact with customers in a rude manner sometimes. So generally what happens is, in the shop, instead of removing him from the job, so they pay him less salary and they keep it, right? The same logic or psychology extends into trading as well. So basically what we do is, instead of removing our loss making trades, we keep it, and to maintain the margin or to maintain the balance, we will cut short the profitable trade, right? But we should always do vice versa. So this book covers many such interesting stories. It also covers very useful information about trading journal actually. So otherwise it is a wonderful book. The only drawback I saw in this book is it don't cover much information about technical analysis. Many beginners and intermediate level traders, they also expect much or some information about technical analysis, but this book doesn't cover much information on technical analysis. Otherwise it is a wonderful book on trading psychology. The fourth book in my list is How to Make Money with Candlestick Charts. The author of the book is Mr. Balakrishna Sadekar. Whenever the price reaches a resistance level, whether the price will respect the resistance and comes down, or it will break the resistance and it goes up. Knowing this concept is very, very important for beginners and intermediate level traders. It is called as price acceptance and price rejection. So when I say price acceptance, it breaks above this resistance level and it goes up. When I say price rejection, the price takes resistance at the resistance level and it comes back. So this price acceptance and price rejections are very important in day trading. But many beginners and intermediate level traders, they may not be able to understand this price action, right? For them, candlestick patterns are very, very important. This book covers a lot of important candlestick patterns which are very useful to identify whether the price is taking support or resistance at that particular level. Okay, so this book also explains how to use these candlestick chart patterns along with moving average and also along with support and resistance. So overall it is a wonderful book. The only drawback I see is it provides too many candlestick chart patterns. For example, a trader will be able to remember only 3 or 4 or maximum 5 candlestick patterns. He will not be able to remember all the 5 patterns, right? So this is the only small drawback of this book. So what traders can do is they can read all the material, all the candlestick patterns. They can shortlist only 4 or 5 candlestick patterns and they can deploy it in their trading. The fifth book in my list is The Definitive Guide to Advanced Option Trading. The author of the book is Mr. Rohit Katwal. First caution message: this book is only for intermediate level traders to experts. Second caution message: option trading is not at all for beginners. If you are a beginner, please avoid options trading. So last year, SEBI has removed extra margin facility on futures in intraday trading. So because of this move, many traders who are trading in futures shifted to options. So this is where this book plays a crucial role. It explains some technical analysis to decide the major trend and to decide the next move, and it also explains different option selling strategies to adopt in our intraday trading. This is a wonderful book for all the traders who are looking to learn few strategies in options. The only drawback I see in this book is it doesn't cover the basics of options. So if you're a complete beginner, if you straight away pick up this book, you may not be able to understand all the jargons in options trading. So otherwise it is a wonderful book to learn different strategies on options trading. What is your opinion about these books, friends? I hope this video is really helpful. Do you think I missed any other important book on intraday trading by an Indian author? If yes, please comment below. By the way, this is my latest book on intraday trading. Now this covers many interesting aspects about intraday trading, like the basics of intraday trading, how to develop an algo system, and how to evaluate a trading system. And it also includes 10 profitable intraday trading system. So do check it out. Thank you.